So now I stay signed in when I refresh the page, but all my beautiful messages, they're gone. So I certainly can't log in as two different people and have a conversation, can I? So we need our messages to actually stick around. We could use local storage, but then everyone has to share a laptop too, which kind of makes it super impractical. Okay, I typed my message. Go ahead. Okay, let me sign out. Let me sign back in as me. Okay, I'm right back. Sometimes my wife and I text each other from across the room, but this is even worse. All right. So what can we do? I know. Let's take the next hour and let's learn Node.js and build an entire backend with a REST API. And let's do PostgreSQL database and everything. Yes! Probably there's not time for that. So it'd be super cool if we could use a backend as a service. What if someone made it so we didn't have to write a backend and it were just super easy? Somebody did. It's called Firebase. Wow. That was a reaction. Has anybody ever used Firebase before? It is really good stuff. It was purchased by Google a few years ago, so it's a Google service at this point. Everything was purchased by Google, but they actually haven't ruined it. It's still good. Now their marketing's a little weird. It goes on and on and on about mobile apps, which you know, you could totally use it as a backend for your mobile app. But there's nothing about it that makes it particular to mobile apps. Works great with web apps, which is what we're going to do. It includes a number of different really products that you can use, several of which are super useful. I swear this isn't even the same screen as this morning. Authentication, that seems cool. Authenticate users simply and securely. Hosting, that could be nice. Cloud storage, I don't care. Real-time database, store and sync app data in milliseconds. That's just what we're looking for. It can't really be that good. For free with some limitations. Gosh darn right. So go ahead and create an account on Firebase.com right now. All you need is a Google account. So if you have Gmail or anything else like that, you can just sign right in. You're already logged in? Do you have the go to console link up here? Yeah, sure do. Cool. Go to your dang console. Piece of cake. They're following you everywhere. All right. So here's a big fat link. Add project. Let's do it. Let's add a project. I'm going to call mine Chatterang S2 afternoon. It's like boomerang or like batarang. There's not a good reason.
What do we call that? Just chattering?
Yeah, whatever you want to call it. I tried to think of other horrible chat puns. They're all either taken or just too horrible, like Chatmobile or I don't know, whatever. All right. Use the default settings for sharing Google Analytics for Firebase data. How about we just not share Google Analytics for Firebase data? Cool. Continue. Don't want to do any of those things. Create project. Oh, I'm going to get some pretty animations here. Oh, it helps build the anticipation. Oh, I can't wait. Firebase, it's going to be so sweet. Yeah.
Why is it called Firebase?
Because the people who made it decided, let's call it Firebase. I don't know. A database, a really fast database. Okay. The original product was the real-time database. Now it's a bunch of other services, but it was originally a real-time database. So Firebase, okay. Seems legit. I like it. Okay. My new project is ready. Continue. Oh, there it is. There's the gosh darn get started. It wasn't there this morning. Does everybody see the get started stuff? I swear this was not freaking there.
So weird.
Oh my gosh. Leave this here, but look, notice on the side we have authentication, we have database, storage, all kinds of services. Okay, which thing don't you have? Okay. If you lose this, you can get back to it off the authentication page for some reason. But adding Firebase to our web app is what we want. So it's the database that we're interested in. This configuration here just gets your app talking to Firebase at all. Now, this isn't necessarily a React-specific version, so we're going to do it just slightly differently, but we're going to do more or less this thing. But it's using a Firebase.js in an actual script tag. We're using cool dependency management stuff now, so we're going to use like node modules and stuff and use import statements. So no problem. Just leave this up here because this is going to be different for everybody. This is your API key, your auth domain, etc. And we're going to use Firebase with another library that somebody wrote called Rebase. So Rebase is a library that someone wrote. Tyler McGinnis is his name. He also wrote React Router, which we're going to use next week or tomorrow. I don't know when. Nice friendly bear here. So what is Rebase? React makes managing state easy. Firebase makes databases easy. Rebase ties the two together, makes it super easy to sync your application's state with Firebase. I mean super easy. Once you get through the configuration steps, it's almost insulting how easy it is. It's fantastic. So let's do it.